Hey guys, welcome to hole number 3 in the Winter Slopes Tournament in the Expert Division. Hole number 3 is a par 5 that we've all played many times on tour. We're going to be hitting a driver up into the fairway and then a wood to the green for an eagle, easy eagle hit. And if we get really lucky, we may even be able to have a shot at an albatross. So seen a couple of people playing this with blasting away with a globe or a berserker trying to get up into the second fairway, third fairway patch, but I don't see a need for that here. We're just going to play conservative, and if our second shot goes in for albatross, fantastic. If not, no worries. We got the eagle. We're not going to end up in any trouble. You can see our opponent here plays a reasonably good shot. Want to be a little bit further right than that when you hit that first fairway patch, but we're going to play about 5.5 tops, 4 rights. We're going to go to a kingmaker here, and we're just going to line her up here, right about there. Sort of the blue ring just touching the edge of the rough there. And we're going to over adjust here by about a ring just because of the tailwind and the slight elevation change. And then we're just going to hit a perfect ball here with a tiny bit of right curl. And we should be in perfect shape for our next shot. That runs up there nicely. And we're going to have a sniper in. I've albatrossed this hole a couple of times on tour, but it's not by no means a guaranteed albatross. It's very lucky in my opinion if you get it. Now we do have a decent wind here. A tough wind on this hole is a left to right wind because then you have to adjust into the trees and use some curl on your second shot and so on and so forth. So this is actually a reasonable wind. Because you're going to be probably at a mid to min sniper range too, you just need to be cognizant of that when you do your adjustment. A lot of times with tailwind here, people will adjust at 1-to-1 and end up bouncing too far back and hitting the rough. And this gentleman's going to get lucky here. He got far enough where it's actually going to trickle down, but you get caught up in that rough, and then all of a sudden you've got a super difficult eagle chip on a very weird green from up there. So I don't know why he's rolling his eyes. He actually got lucky there. So we're going to play max distance sniper. We're going to play the full rights. We want to be right about here. And then we're just going to adjust for the 9 wind. And let's see what happens. Great ball left, won't hurt us. We're going to be on the green for an easy eagle. Okay, so that's really the setup for hole number 3. Pretty straightforward, par 5. Got to get your eagle here, so best to play it somewhat conservative. And that's how we'll be going in the opening round.